on Wednesday, this is being recorded on Tuesday, you'll download on Tuesday. The lab that we're doing is going to involve center of mass. For the lab, you're going to need a ruler or a meter stick. You'll want something to balance it on, so at least like a ruler or another pen or a pencil, just something that you can put between the ruler or meter stick and the table. And then on the meter stick, we'll first find the center of the meter stick, which will be right about the the middle. But we also want 4 other masses, 2 that are the same size, and then 2 more that are another size. So you could use coins or bolts or washers. I know we have a few options as far as pieces of metal in the lab kit. It could be something else, but something small, fairly dense for its weight, for its size. Okay, let me see if I can't replace that. Anyway, so we'll have 4 masses, and what we're going to use those for is to place them at various locations on the meter stick. So we're going to have 4 lab setups. So you can have any 4 orientations you would like. One can be the plain meter stick, plain ruler, where you actually need to find the center. It may not be right, if you're using a meter stick, it may not be right at 50 centimeters. So we want to find out where that is exactly. Okay, so first we'll find the balance point. The center of mass is where the object balances when you place it exactly at one point, like we looked at yesterday. So first you want to find the balance point of just the plain stick. That will be your first trial. Trial 2, you want to use some combination of your 4 masses. It can just be one of them, it can be 2, but you want to place them at some location on the stick. Okay. And then we will adjust the stick using a little bit of intuition to find out where to start. But you want to adjust where your meter stick or where your ruler is balancing on the object that it's on the table until you find the place where it balances fairly well, and we'll record that. So what we need to record as far as information is going to be the location of the objects, and you'll make a data table out of this later, but you want the location of the masses. We want to record that down, and then the location of where the object actually balances. So maximum you'll need 5 columns, and you'll want 4 trials, and we want 1 for a heading. Sorry about that mark. So 5 rows. Okay. So in your data table, 5 columns, 5 rows. All of the columns may not be used every trial. Okay. So your first trial, we want just the plain stick. So none of these are used. Sorry, that's the title heading. None of these are used in the first trial. Okay, so we just want the balance point of the plain meter stick, plain ruler. The second, third, and fourth, the second and third trials, you can try whatever you would like. On the 4th trial, I would like you to use all 4 weights. So place all 4 of them on there somewhere. The 2, you can put 2 at the same location, just adding their masses together, and find the balance point. Okay, we're doing this experimentally first. The practice problems will involve how to find this same idea. The practice problems and the ones we work in class will be how to find the center of mass using mathematically. But right now we just want to find it experimentally.